All right, you're going to hear the noise of the fluorescent lights right now because that is the lighting setup we have. But I wanted to show you, without showing you the laundry, what we got working with us for our basement garden revamp, do-over, whatever you want to call it. So far in here, I have this built-in shelving unit. It's attached to the wall and it goes up. This was here before we moved in. And we also have this built-in bench, again, attached to the wall. Somebody else built it before us. And it works well. It was being used as an actual workbench for a workshop that my husband and I used, but now we have a shed in the backyard, so a lot of our stuff is gone, and I took over with plants. I got this shelving unit. It's kind of flimsy, and by kinda I mean like super flimsy. Underneath we have the other bits from that. Like I just got a bunch of not useful parts for what I have and a cover because I could put this outside and have it be an actual greenhouse, and that was originally my plan, but I don't think it's going to work. There's no way I can actually hang a grow light from this without worrying about it breaking, so we're not doing that. Underneath, we still have some tools and some stuff that we have to keep in here. Okay, so we did a little bit of rearranging in here. I cleaned out the bottom. I got rid of any of the extra pieces that went to this. I still have the extra covers because eventually that could go outside. I moved crash cart and stuff further down there so I would have more room to have this actually have room. The shop vac is going to go back into my husband's workshop. I vacuumed a bunch and I moved some things onto here for now until I get the shelving situation under control. And you get the fertilizer from the sheds to bring in here. They're not supposed to stay outside, along with some other stains and stuff from the workshop area. Update November 5th. Let's look at these lemon boys. All right, this is Lemon Balm. It was planted September 26th. So that's exciting. When I get the new grow light that I ordered from Gardener Supply, it's going to hang in the middle. So I'm going to have to move some of those. I'm going to have to put another screw in or unscrew it and re-screw some of those screws that are holding up the chains right now. So these two lights will get taken down. There'll be one high intensity grow light there. And that'll have more light to go the entire length of the table, which is, I think, about 6 feet. I haven't measured it yet. But these are two 4-foot lighting fixtures. I meant to film while I was doing it, but as you can tell, this is a 4x6 rug. I got it from Ocean State Job Lot. I also got a 2-tiered boot system. So I started to put together the grow light that I had ordered from Gardener Supply, and upon reading I realized I didn't have 2 of the things I needed for it. So 5 days later they came in the mail and I began putting the rest of the high intensity light fixture together. saw from that footage, I was missing an item in the package that I received. For some reason, very confused. I did not get a second link cord that you need in order for the electricity to go to all the bulbs. So I called Gardener Supply and they're sending me another link cord in the mail. I need to say that Gardener Supply has an amazing customer service, and when you order supplies that for some reason just don't go in your box that are supposed to be in your kit, they send them out right away. So 11 days later, I got the second piece I needed in the mail. I began to put the bulb together and set up the rest of the basement to be how I wanted it to be. Because I was waiting for the parts for the grow light to come in, and that grow light is so good. It's so good, it's so bright, it's so beautiful. And my lemon balm has grown exponentially since putting that in. It's crazy. And any of the plants I brought in from the fall that were kind of doing are just bam, just, it's crazy. Today is December 14th. It's actually my birthday when I am recording this because I have the time. And I've had the grow light installed since the 26th, the 28th, and it's done an amazing job. I cannot recommend this enough, and I can't recommend Gardener Supply enough. I'm actually trying to figure out a way to order more things from them that I would need for my garden, as well as my stepdad's garden, which is a project I'm working on. So some things in the garden that I would like to work on. Big thing is I want to create more space for plants so I can get more plants and actually use that second seed tray. So my husband and I are going to be building a angled shelf so that we could put a bunch of stuff there. And it'll go where the flimsy shelving unit is. I also would like to do a ladder garden using S-hooks and like little, they look like little troughs, like little metal pots. Using the other grow light that I used before, having that on and over those I think would be really cool. And also just making it more cozy somehow. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be making the laundry area look a little bit better and getting rid of any of the excess items that are along that wall opposite of the workbench. Some stuff has to stay in the basement because of space in the sheds. And right now, it's rainy, it's cold, it's hard to want to do anything outside, so we've kind of just let it go. It's not in the way of anything now that I've moved things down. It's a lot easier for traffic-wise going back and forth to the laundry area. So it's not that big of a deal. This is it for the basement garden, revamp, redo, whatever you want to call it. If you guys have any questions about any of the products I use that I didn't talk about, comment down below. If there are any plants in the video that I didn't talk about enough, down below, and I will make a video about them all, or if there's only one in particular you want to know more about that I've had success with, I will totally share. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please remember to like it. And if you want to know more about this amateur, or as my family and friends call it, amateur gardener, this is going to be my second year full getting ready for gardening, and I'm going to be trying a bunch of different methods of planting seeds. So if you want to know more how that goes for me, you should subscribe, because I'm going to be coming out with videos in the next few months about all these really cool things. And if you really like this video, you should share with your cat, share with your dog, share with your friends, and when you share with friends on social media, please remember to tag me them. The links are down below. Nissa! I made a new gardening video. Are you excited? That's how you share with your cats and dogs. Anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope this gives you some inspiration to create some type of a garden in your basement as well, because it can be done. I hope this video inspires you guys to start planning or thinking about making a garden space in an otherwise dark and scary area of your house. And I will see you guys in the next video.